Alright, anybody else want to know why custom enclosures cost so much? Yeah, tape and getting ready for glass. We're going to make one there to fit the little baby subs in there. So, get it taped up and I'll show you a little bit of the progress. I'll try not to make the video too long, but I can't sit here and hold it. But anyway. Alright, that one's done. Well, not done. After that, I'm going to lay some tin foil in there. And, I think lay tin foil. No, we're going to tape it. Tin foil you can do to help protect it, but it's taped up pretty. I think I got 2 layers. Well, yeah, I do have 2 layers of it on there. So, I'm going to start on this one. And we'll start laying some glass. Alright, and we got both of them taped up. Woohoo! Look pretty good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cover the whole car. Cover it up and start laying down some, well, first coat would be first coat of resin. And just to get them strong enough to pop out. You don't want to put too much, you don't want to fiberglass the whole thing inside. Once you can get a good shell, pop them out, then you can go ahead and make them stronger from the inside. Outside's mold. I'm sure y'all know that. Here we go. Alrighty. I'll start mixing up some stuff. But I think she's, of course I'm not going here. I'm putting a mark, you know, right up in here because we're going to have a lid for it. So, but I'll have it come up where I can trim it down. So, anyway. Alright. Let's go mix some resin up today. Alright, wood shop conversion. Yeah, this thing does a little bit of everything. So we'll get the stuff mixed up and get everything set out and draw up some stuff and measurements. We'll be good. Alright, we got 1 box. First coat of fiberglass. See that? Yep, she's ugly. So, but she'll come out pretty. I'm about to do that one. So, anyway, here we go.